Hi, my name is Betsy Morgan, and along with my band,
Hey.
I write and perform a show called She's Folks that lovingly pokes fun at my rural upbringing and awkward transition to big city life. When I'm on stage, I often find myself talking about food. Not good food, Midwestern food. Potlucks in particular seem to inspire good-hearted, community-minded people to temporarily lose their minds and often their taste, resulting in such dishes as Jello Salad with carrots and celery, mock steak, or ham loaf. It's important to build awareness of these Epicurean abominations. However, even I am guilty of such monstrosities, having contributed my first recipe to the St. John's United Church of Christ in Archbold, Ohio's cookbook at the tender age of 6. It's not spicy. I have a lot of affection for these culinary disasters, and so occasionally I'd like to share one of these gastronomic calamities with you, sourced from old church cookbooks, community newsletters, frayed index cards, and the willingness to do unspeakable things with Cheese Whiz. So please join me for She's Cookin', a new web series from She's Folks. Today's recipe is called Frosted Salad, and it's from the cookbook that I mentioned before. Frosted salad is one of a family of Jello salads, which are, in fact, not salads. This one I've never had before, but I'm very excited to try it. It's got some crazy ingredients. Lemon Jello, which is not the same as limoncello. Homemade limoncello from my mom. This is not for the recipe, it's for me. Cheers. We're gonna need it. Okay, on to the other ingredients. Bananas, pineapple. I should mention, it explicitly says on the box, do not use fresh or frozen pineapple. Gelatin will not set. This is canned pineapple, so maybe Betty knows more than we do. Pineapple juice, butter, whipping cream, grated cheese. First step is to dissolve the gelatin in boiling water. That smells like my childhood. Okay, next step, stir in ginger ale, 2 cups. Now we'll put this in the fridge to cool. While that's cooling, we have to talk about stir-ins because this is a classic Jello salad. As I mentioned, pineapple is problematic, but that's what the recipe says, and that's what we're going to do. It also calls for 1 cup of mini marshmallows and 2 bananas. We'll save these for later. Comedy. Okay, now it's stirring time. I'm going to start with the crushed pineapple because it's going to need the most help. I don't know about this, Betty. Next, our sliced bananas. These bananas are sticking together. Snap. At some point you gotta stand on your own bananas. Finally, mini marshmallows. Mini marshmallows are a staple of church cookbooks worldwide. That looks pretty gross. Now we pour into a long glass baking dish. Now I'm going to put it in the fridge to let it solidify.
So gross.
I know. Shut up. The next part is the frosted part of the frosted salad. 1/2 cup sugar, a couple tablespoons of flour, 1 cup pineapple juice drained from the crushed pineapple, 2 tablespoons butter or margarine, I went with butter, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 cup heavy whipping cream, 1 cup. Well, that's 1 cup. And I swear to God, a half a cup of grated cheese. It's in the recipe. First step, combine sugar and flour in saucepan. Stir in juice. Cook over low heat. It doesn't say anything about how to cook it or whether to stir it. It also doesn't say for how long or why. I'm guessing it's till the sugar is completely dissolved and that it's thickened a little bit. Also stir in egg. Essentially what I think we're heading for here is a kind of a custard, but I don't know. This has been cooking for about 10 or 15 minutes now. Tastes pretty good. It's probably because there's no cheese in it yet. Now we add in the butter and lemon juice. Oops. Next step, whip the cream. Now I'm adding the custard sauce from before. Gross. The salad part has firmed up, so now we're going to apply the topping. Well, here it is, except it's not done yet. We still have the dreaded shredded cheese. Here to taste frosted salad is my trusty banjo player, Tyler Thompson.
I'm ready.
Let me go get it.
I'm scared, Will. You should be. Oh, man.
Okay, here it is. Okay, so I didn't know what the appropriate serveware for frosted salad is, so I chose my pie server with a detachable cheetah print high heel. I put cheese on the end.
Yeah, it's the cheese is the part that's disturbing me the most.
The movement of what just happened underneath this was a feeling I would not wish on an enemy.
Was it like you stepped on a hand? Kind of. Okay, so but wait, can I know what's in it? Like this is yellow Jello.
It's also bananas.
Oh, that helps. Bananas and cheese in there. The texture. Doesn't the texture of the cheese feel like
it's wrong?
It's like a weed.
Also, I don't like bananas.
There's a couple of textural things going on here. Additionally, the shredded pineapple feels like a mistake.
If you probably never noticed this, but pineapple smells a little cheesy. It does. You'll never experience pineapple the same way again. You know what this is? If you can't decide between salad, dessert, or cheese course, well, frosted salad is for you.
There is nothing salad about this.
Actual salad.
I need some of this pairing of, what is this exactly?
Leftover Chardonnay. What is that potluck recipe you told me about with the 40 heads of cabbage?
It calls for like 5 chickens.
Right, and you cook it in a
like
pit?
70 potatoes. You put it in a hole. They would dig a hole and put all of the ingredients in the ground with hot rocks and then bury it in the vegetables.
I'd like to bury this in a hole with hot rocks on it. Well, that was frosted salad.
Oof.
I'm really sorry.
Midwestern boy.
These are my people.
Mine too.
This is my heritage, yeah. Well, that was something. If you have a goofy potluck or community cookbook recipe that you'd like to share, please contribute in the comments below or send it to me at she'sfolks@she'sfolks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, She's Folks. Also, check out our other web series, Old Timey Tuesdays, where we put our goofy spin on old folk songs, early country, blues, and bluegrass. Remember, everybody has a history with food. Some of it's just weird. Thanks for watching.